Firefighters continue battling 5 major wildfires, which have claimed at least 10 lives. There was progress overnight, but crews still have not gained the upper hand against the 2 biggest fires, Palisades and Eaton. They are just 8% and 3% contained. Still no cause for those. The LAPD is investigating the newest fire, the Kenneth Fire, as a possible arson. Police interviewed a suspect who was detained with the help of citizens.
They made the determination that there was not enough probable cause to arrest this person on arson or suspicion of arson, and therefore this person was arrested on a felony probation violation. This investigation is ongoing, however.
Governor Gavin Newsom this morning sent an additional 900 firefighters to battle the Kenneth blaze. It erupted in the West Hills of LA Thursday afternoon and exploded in size in a matter of hours. Renata Greenspan described how her neighbors held on to a suspect they believed was trying to light a fire behind a van.
They had surrounded him, gotten him on his knees, and then they got some zip ties, and my stepdad came out with some rope, and we were able to do a citizen's arrest and detain him until the police had arrived.
180,000 people have been ordered to evacuate since the fires fueled by Santa Ana winds started Tuesday. Firefighters hope to get a break this afternoon when winds are expected to ease before they pick up again this weekend. The Palisades fire along the coast is the largest. It and the Eaton fire near Pasadena and Altadena are among the most destructive in state history. Together, they have destroyed about 10,000 buildings and other structures.
There's nothing left, and I've been here for about an hour and a half, and I don't want to leave. It's home. So I really can't put it into words.
Everything, my whole neighborhood, everything that I grew up to love and know is burnt up.
The death toll will rise as crews with cadaver dogs gain access to more neighborhoods. The medical examiner says it could take weeks to identify remains. Kamiko Nickerson of Altadena lost her father, 82-year-old Rodney Nickerson.
He said that he was going to gather up his stuff, but he said he was going to stay here too. He said that he felt this was going to pass over and that he would be here, and he did position himself, but he didn't want to leave.
Sherry Shaw's brother did not make it, 66-year-old Victor Shaw.
I had to save myself, and I looked behind me, and the house was starting to go up in flames, and I had to leave.
We actually did see him laying on the side of the road with the hose. It looks like he was trying to save the home.
The weather has made it possible for aircraft to resume dropping water on the wildfires, but the National Weather Service warns strong winds could return Sunday and into next week. Also, additional members of the National Guard are set to arrive in the next 12 to 24 hours. They are backing up police, helping with road closures and protecting infrastructure. Police have made at least 20 arrests for looting. Back to you.
All right, Judy, thanks so much for that.